Hey guys, kumusta kayong lahat? I hope everybody is fine out there at magwi-weekend na naman. So, pahinga ulit. But the crypto market is still ongoing. So, yung gagawin natin ay i-chart ko yung isa sa crypto na talagang inaabangan kong i-trade. Ito yung Cardano or ADA ticker. So for those kababayan who are big fan of trading crypto, then you might be able to get some idea here. So okay, ipakita ko sa inyo guys yung chart ni Cardano. I'm currently using the 4-hour time interval because if you see the 1 hour, I mean the 1 day, you see that the daily chart, it's already at the upper level of the Bollinger Band. But you see also, if you check also the RSI levels, nakikita nyo na it's already oversold level, 80. In fact, it's already at a parabolic level. Turn this to 30, RSI 30. It's already at the parabolic level. So meaning that there is a higher probability that sell-off will come. Because first, nasa upper part ng Bollinger Band and already at the parabolic level. So mga market players usually here are selling their positions. Nakita nyo na rin dito that after a big pump ng ADA. So by the way, yung ADA at most of the crypto are having similar chart with the Bitcoin kasi ito talaga yung pinaka-main currency. So pasensya na at maraming mga labels dito. Tanggalin muna natin yan. So make it guys, you see that you can really trade this with a momentum trading strategy using slingshot momentum strategy. The way how you can trade it is that you see that there is these are the post candles. So paano ba yun? So numinipis yung daily candles natin. So that's good. But if we enter, this will be our stop. So somewhere here at 0.80. So ayan. Then you enter if the price goes higher than this level, yung previous high ng this candle, or the medyo itong tool ko na to na ginagamit ngayon is quite new kasi ito yung tool sa Yahoo Finance. Or you enter here when the price goes higher than 0.95 or 94. So ito. So 95. Pero medyo malayo na, but it's really a confirmation that the price wants to go up. But again, as you can see, or again, the price is already at the upper level of the Bollinger Band. And not only that, this is not just the first time, but it's already the 1, 2, and the third time. So most probably the tendency or the higher probability is to pull back towards this moving average 10, or for the price to make some nice consolidation or bullish pattern first before the next upward move will go. So, and in that case, pag nagkaroon ng pullback, itong RSI levels will somehow go lower. So, hindi na siya magiging overheated. So, magpo-cool down muna siya hanggang sa magkaroon ulit ng panibagong traders who are entering the market, pushing the price higher. So that would be the best, really. So for now, because of that, risk, downward risk. So I'm now using the 4-hour chart. This is a 4-hour chart. In that case, you see this is the Bollinger BB-Mon channel. At ito yung pattern niya ngayon. And if you draw it, you can see clearly that yung direction ng price action is going towards consolidation to here, which is still above the BB-Mon channel. So meaning that after some time consolidation or coiling here, a breakout of this diagonal trend line will be a buy signal. So situation for now is that yung price is just consolidating here inside this box. If the price is breaking out this box, then that is a buy signal. Your take profit will be here at 0.98 to 1.0. But if the price and more buyers will come, break out, or volume is spiking up, then it's the 0.1 resistance can be broken. In that case, you can hold your position. Then I will be taking profits, seeing Fibonacci. Okay, so Fibonacci. Okay, pasensya na guys kasi itong Yahoo Finance na tool ay medyo in-explore ko pa at hindi ako talaga sanay dito kasi yung ginagamit ko is investing.com. But anyway, we can estimate the take profit point via Fibonacci, this one. So if we measure this to here, and extend it up. Okay. So our max take profit at 0.109 malapit sa 0.11. So again, you cannot really put too high take profit point. It's because this chart now is oversold at the daily time frame. So as you can see, that's really the one, and really the biggest possibility is to pull back first, consolidate, and make new buy signal or bullish pattern. So makikita yan sa 4-hour chart. So ayan. So for now, another strategy that I am planning is to short. Why short? It's because of that higher downward risk. So may malaki yung chance na magpo-pull back muna. Ang maganda dito sa pag-short kasi let's say you risk a small amount of your account. Nandito nag-consolidate, you can make test sell. So hindi siya test buy kasi mag-short ako. Test sell, but you put a very tight stop somewhere here or here. Then your take profit point will be here. So you buy back the position somewhere here at 0.079. So magtatanong kayo kung ano yung platform na ginagamit ko for now. Kasi ito maganda talaga kasi mabilis siya mag-fund. So sa crypto, maraming mga process if you are going to Binance or to Coinbase. Mag-apply ka muna ng account that it takes some days before it gets approved, and you still need to send your money and convert it to crypto. So that process for me, it's quite long, and it's good if you are really planning for long-term investing for cryptocurrencies. But if you are just planning for quick trades or swing trades, then the CFD brokers like this plus 500 is the one that I'm using. So marami pa dyan. Maganda dito kasi dito ay makakapag-fund ka yung deposit. So real money. Okay, so yeah. So no. So this is just a demo account. And you can fund via PayPal, you can fund via credit card or wire transfer ata. So maganda. So nandito lahat ng mga cryptocurrencies, yung mga well-known, yung mga kung ano-ano yung mga di kilalang naglalabasan ngayon yung mga crypto. Hindi ko yan pinapatulan. I'm only trading those leaders in the cryptocurrency world. And paano ko nalalaman kung ano yung leaders? So, dito na yung isa kong tool. Kita nyo, performance, weekly performance. Gusto ko yung leaders sa weekly. So, Bitcoin Cash, LTC, Bitcoin Cash, etc. So, yung top 5, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, LTC. BTC is just the 6th. So, sa weekly yan. So, what about the YTD? Still LTC, BCH, BTC number 3 lang. What about yung monthly? So BCH, LTC, BCH. So BCH at LTC, sila yung mga leaders talaga. Bakit naman tinitrade ko si ADA? It's because number one, it has really good fundamentals. For me, ADA is really the future of crypto. So ito yung Cardano. Ito yung mas advanced pa kaysa sa Bitcoin, mas advanced pa kaysa sa Ethereum. So that's Cardano. For more information, just research in YouTube. So ayan, back to this chart. As you can see, it's really good to short here because yung risk mo is napakaliit, and the reward is high. So you got loss here, 0.093. But if it breaks out here, you can close out that short position and replace it with a long position. So you will now buy because we are now anticipating a breakout, and first take profit point is 0.1 or 0.98, and if further buying is coming, then around 0.11. So that's it, guys. Let's try naman yung BTC kasi maraming curious sa BTC. Ano ba yung sentiment ko dito kay BTC? So let's put it to the 1 day. So as you can see, it's already in the upper part of the Bollinger Band. Let's add some indicators like MACD and indicators like ADX. So ano ba yung situation? So basically, it's really in a momentum phase. So momentum trading strategy can be used here. So slingshot strategy, well-known strategy. So paano yan? So basically, a break of this high ng previous candle is a buy signal. So RSI level is 73. This is already in parabolics. MACD is already very much expanded. DI plus is already pointing downward while the momentum is 35, so high momentum. So yeah, almost the same sentiment with the ADA, that since the Bollinger Band, I mean the price is already sitting at the Bollinger Band, I would be be extra careful with the risk. If I am going long, so if I want to buy this, then my stop loss should be around here, below the low of this previous candle. But if I am shorting this, my stop loss will be at this high of the previous candle. And what about my take profit point? If I am shorting it, it will be here at 4,500 level. But usually I won't be using the daily chart if I'm going to short, because if I'm shorting, I want to take profit as profits is already available. So I would be using the 4-hour chart. As you can see, the most probable point where it can pull back is to this BB1 channel. So that will be my take profit point. So around 4,500, yes. So and you can see also here the price is consolidating inside the box. So with this box, you will be able to decide in which bias will you trade. Will you be long or short? So as you can see, uptrend pa rin yung channel, I mean yung trend. However, if the price breaks down this 4,950, then I would be shorting the stock. I mean this Bitcoin. For a lower risk entry, you don't need for a breakdown. So this strategy are for really conservative. But if you want to lower the risk, you may decide, and you can. And you know already that at the daily chart it's already oversold, and at the upper level of the Bollinger Band, so meaning there is a higher probability of pulling back than breaking out. And RSI level is also at the parabolic state. So these things are telling us that there is a higher chance of pulling back than breaking out. So that's the theory. However, if we are not right, you need to apply a stop loss, which is tight. Okay, so I already entered short position, but I will put my tight stop loss at here, 5,100. So I'm out already automatically. My this one, my broker, my platform can do my stop loss. Unlike in the Philippine stock market na hindi tayo nakapag-stop loss doon, isa pa lang yung broker na mayroong stop loss automatically, yung AAA Securities. So check that out. All right. So for example, how to enter my order. So let's say Bitcoin, and we know that Bitcoin 4 hours lang tinitrade natin. So I wanna short Bitcoin. So paano yan? So Bitcoin. So I will be selling Bitcoin. Sell. So that is the amount of money that I need to have to open this contract, but I don't have that. So let's say I want to lower that because my position size will be very big in that case. Let's say I only need one contract, which cost me 1,004. Oh, that's already very big. So I think for Bitcoin, you can have this 0.1. This is the lowest. Am I right? 0.05. So So this is the lowest because I can go up by 0.02 is the lowest. So ito yung amount in Hungarian forint. So now I want to short at the current market price. So I will sell. So pupunta yan dito. So ayan, minus agad ako kasi of course yung broker dito kumikita sila dahil sa spread. So ito agad yung pinaka trading fee. So paano ko naman i-set yung cut loss? So I already showed you earlier. So let's say 4 hours. Cut loss ko. Okay, I'm not really used to draw here with this charting tool. So I go to this. So yung cut loss ko is 5,100. Okay, so 5,100 I will put here. I will close at loss. So cut loss, close at loss. So ilalagay ko sa 5,100. As you can see, matatalo ako ng minus 2% or 609 forint. At paano naman yung take profit ko dito yun? Ayan, so since gusto ko mag-take profit dito, so kahit tutulog ako, mag-execute yan, pati yung cut loss. So around 4,500. So 4,500 yung take profit point ko. Again guys, I'm shorting so that's why yung take profit point ko is lower than my price, entry price. So ano yung magiging amount ito? Almost 10% profit. So ayan, so bukas titingnan natin ito. I will again make a video kung ano ba yung naging result. And again, I shorted this, so we will see. The good thing with this broker also is that if you are long in this stock, I mean you are bullish, you can also make a trade na kapag nag-break out yung candle or yung price above this box, so mapunta sa 5,100, I wanna buy. So you can do that by doing this. So Bitcoin, I wanna buy Bitcoin and 0.2 contract, the same. So by the way guys, position size is really very important. As much as possible, you only want to lose a manageable amount in every trade. Kasi once you are in a smaller position size, it allows you to be more flexible and your fear in the market is much lower because you have a smaller position size. However, kung may lower position size ka, you need to have a lot of trades para mag-play out ngayon yung success probabilities mo, yung edge mo. So that's the trick. However, yung disadvantage is marami kang position na ma-manage. So you need really to allocate time for that. So yan ang ginagawa ko in my US market in option trading. I remain small, but I have a lot of positions. Alright, so that's one tip from your stock na deal. Alright, so let's continue. So I want to buy, but I don't want to buy the current price. So I don't want to buy the current price. I want to buy only when it breaks out to 5,100. Okay? Kasi dyan, I am already sure that the price wanna go up. So, paano yan? Ito yun sa advance. So, only buy when rate is 5,100. So, ayan. So, as you can see, hindi siya nag-enter ng 5,100 kasi yung sinasuggest niya na maximum or minimum amount na pwede ka mag-enter dito is 5,186. Nagbabago yan depende sa current market price. But ito yung kanyang so above 3%. So anyway, I can accept that. So you can also decide if you want to accept that or not. If it's too high, then don't trade, just wait. So let's say I accepted that. Okay, I will now enter buy, and by the way, you can also put your stop loss. Kung nag-enter ka sa 5,100, I want to cut loss below the low of this candle. So around 4,950. So close at loss 4,950, 4,950. So manatalo ako ng 1,300 for it. So always check this also kung yung amount ba yan is really big for you. Not. So it really depends on the total amount in your portfolio. So don't ever trade if the loss here, possible loss, is too big for you to accept, or you won't be able to sleep at night. Okay, so that's another tip. So ngayon, gusto ko na, hindi pala to. So dito yan. Gusto ko na pag nag-breakout, nag-breakout, then ito yung take profit point ko, yung pinaka-high dito ng candle na to. So around 5,300. So medyo maliit lang, no? So this is just for, demo purposes, 4,300. I mean 5,300. So ayan, so this is not really a nice trade kasi you will lose more than what you will win. So the risk and reward ratio is not good. So meaning that you should be targeting a higher target take profit point, like 5,500. So let's check that one. 798. So at least medyo 1.2, 1. Mas malaki siya ng konti. So mga 1 times 1.2 yung risk, yung reward versus the risk. So pwede na to. Then enter. Ayun. So mapupunta yan dito. So yung execute na order which is already realized, it's already here. Once it's still waiting, pending for execution, dito yun. Pag ma-execute to, mapupunta yan dito. Pag na-close out yan, pag take care ka, mag-close ka kasi mag-close yung yung position. So mapupunta yan dito. Then, yung iba't ibang mga dyan, pwede mong i-trade. So don't be tempted to trade anything here kasi pag bago ka lang dito, nakaka-tempt na i-trade. Lahat i-trade ko to. So that's a recipe of, blowing out your account. So always take care when trading with real money. But if you are still not confident, trade only with this demo account. Right, guys? So I hope that marami kayong natutunan for tonight. And advertise ko lang yung yung weekly stock updates for those who are trading the Philippine stock market. I have a weekly stock update where I am posting and posting my analysis on my best picks on the Philippine stock market. And I'm also already open for my US stock market weekly stock update. And for those mentorship programs, just feel free to PM me. For now, I am really fully booked for the next 2 months. So for the one-on-one session, I am fully booked, but you can still purchase my recorded videos. Ito yung videos from my past session, so you can avail that. It's a much cheaper price. Let me know if you wanna avail that, because in that you will really learn all the strategies that I am using in the market. And so recently I'm already applying these visualization techniques in order to figure out or to find out best stock picks. So ito yung stock radar na ginagamit ko. And if you want to learn also that, you can also let me know. Alright guys, so this is all about for today. It's Friday and actually Saturday already because it's already 12 in the midnight. So today it was very great in the US market. I just gained $1,100 and it was great. It was additionally from yesterday, which was also around 1,000, almost $1,000. So market was good and the trading was good. The US market was really bullish this week. So hopefully next week we will see, because there is still some uncertainties in the market, in the US especially. But for the Philippine market, I remain bullish all through the year. It's because of the lowering of inflation rate. So it's really the best time to invest in the Philippine market nowadays, especially magandang fundamentals. So, alright guys, so that's it for today. God bless inyong lahat and have a nice weekend.